Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I would like to discuss with you how affiliate links, can help you generate a passive income, and you can use those links to, get a commission. So there are two ways for I know. One is Amazon affiliates. So here you can see I have an Amazon associate account, so I get a whenever I open any product. For example, let me open this book. So I will get a link so that I can copy it, and here's the link of my affiliated product. So whenever anyone will buy this product using my link, I will get a commission out of it. Okay, and the commission varies, like it's different for mobile phones and laptops, electronics, and for books or any other stuff. It varies. So that's how you can generate income. Now the question is where to promote your link. And in case you do not have a Amazon affiliate account, you can go to this Digistore 24. Digistore 24 is a very popular option amongst affiliate circle, because it has. Okay, let me just show you. Let's go to the marketplace. So for example, if you see, it is a product, and the commission on it is $122, and you get a promo link as well. So when you share this link and somebody buys this product with your by visiting the website from your link, you will get $122, just like that. It is not that easy, because it takes some time to generate audience, and but once you build a base and you have a traffic, uh, you have sources. I will show you how to get started. I'm also just starting. I don't have a lot of revenue, but I know few things which I would like to share with you all guys. So first thing first, so either you get an Amazon associate account. Okay, you can just go to the bottom of Amazon, and you will find become an affiliate. Okay, so this is the way you can apply for on Amazon. Otherwise, you can go to this Digistore and open your account. It's free of cost and everything, and it just took me like 2 minutes, and I created the account. And you can link your PayPal with the Digistore, and you get these links. So now the question is where to promote them. So I happen to have a blog. Yeah. So you cannot just copy the link and paste it anywhere. It doesn't how it works. So here I have a blog and everything. So uh, even if you don't have a blog, so you can just go to this sites.google.com. Okay, so let's say for example we will take some other product. Okay, let's find a product. Wisdom mastery. No, these are medicine. See, $32. So in the Digistore, the commission is very huge. So you could be making you know hundreds, maybe not thousands, then hundreds of dollars at least every month. So let's go to this computer and internet, or let's go to business and investment. I'm trying to find a product so that I can show you an example. Okay, here's a it's a book. Okay, it's a sleeping guide, and if you manage to sell one of these, you will get $14. Okay, so let's start small. So in order to sell this product, you need to first create an article that relates to sleep, baby and his sleeping schedule. So you just go on Google and maybe write something like steps to get your baby to sleep. So you get an idea, swaddling, massage, any light repetitive movement. So you either you create a new post on your blog, or you just go to the sites.google.com and create a new site. you know, an article. It's just an article. We just need a link that lands the user to this page. So here you put your title like baby sleeping, you know, guide maybe. Yeah. And I'm just showing you an example. Okay. Okay, here's your article. When you publish it, you will get a URL, and when somebody will click on that URL, he will land here. So now the thing is, here you can promote your product. You will copy the link and use it over here. To get your copy, click here, something like that, and we will go to this promote now, and we'll just copy it. And now you see that this link is kind of long, so just go to bit URL, which will shorten your URL. Okay, now you copy it and now you paste it over here, or create a hyperlink. Okay, let's create a hyperlink. Okay, now if anybody will click over here, you can mention anything like book name or anything like that, but what matters is the person should click on the link. That's why we are doing these things. So the first thing is create an article. Okay, you created an article with some basic information from the Google, and you got your heading, your you know, basic small content, and there's a promotion here to get your book. Click here. Okay, now I have this article here. Suppose this is the article link. Where will you go to promote it? So now I have few options over here. You can use these 4 sites: Reddit, SlideShare, and Medium, and Quora. So let's go to Quora first. Now Quora is a huge website, and it has, you know, questions and answers, but you cannot directly paste your link. So you will search here baby sleeping, you know, yeah, we can go to this option, this space. So here you will get the questions asked by people that are looking to help for help in this case. So we will okay, let me try some question. Baby to sleep. Okay, now you get all these questions. So now we just have created an article about baby sleeping guide. So you copy that link and you paste it over here. Okay, you can also write some small content from the body and paste it along with your answer, and then okay, let me answer here. For example, this is my article. I will copy this body and I will write my answer and read full article here. So now here I will paste the article link. When the person will read my answer, he will get few steps, and then he will just go ahead and click on it, and then he will land on this article, and then he might click on this book name. Okay, and it's not like 100 people click on your link, 100 people will not buy. Maybe like 3 or 4 people will actually buy that product, and that's the, you know, success rate. So the more numbers, the number of people that you get to read your article, the higher your chances are that somebody will actually end up buying the book, the product you are selling the affiliate link. Okay, so let me summarize what we have done till now. First of all, you need a blog. If you do not have a blog, you can go to sites.google.com. You find a product either on Amazon affiliates or in Digistore. You copy the product link. You you know, relate that product with your small article, and you paste the link over here. Now the first site I showed you is Quora. You can it's relevant, and you can promote your article here, and eventually you are promoting your link, affiliate link, that is on your article. Other site is Medium. Medium is very famous, and Medium will, the Digistore and Medium, these two things will get you traffic from US, UK, maybe Russia and Germany too. So these are high, paying affiliates. For example, if you promote a link in India and the book costs like 500 rupees, you will end up making 10 or 12 rupees maybe. But if you promote a book that costs like $50 and you're making like $10 a commission, that's a huge difference. $10 is like 700 plus rupees. So I would suggest you choose your products from Digistore 24 and promote them on Medium. It is very easy. Create an account and then in Medium go to write a story. Okay, same thing you have to do. You have already created the article here. Just copy the header over here and copy the body along with your affiliate link and paste it over here. Okay, here's the link. Now click on publish. That's all you have to do. So now we have published our article in Medium and Quora as well. So there's one more site, Reddit. Reddit is like very huge. It gets views in like billions. Many people use this website. It also consists of articles. So you go to your profile and you create a post. Click here. Same thing here. Title and the body, and then affiliate link. So here are just like 3 websites you can go ahead and promote your content on. One single product. You have created sources for traffic in 3 different websites, very highly used and very big websites: Quora, Medium, and Reddit. You can also use SlideShare if you want, and there are many others, but I would prefer these 3 because these get a lot of attention, and there are high chances that you will get a lot of traffic. Let me show you some real time. This morning I did the same thing. I created a post and I promoted it in Reddit and Medium. So you see, today I got 42 page views, right? So today I have 42, 87, 42. Yeah. So this morning I managed to get like 42 people to read my article, which contains the affiliate link of a product in the article. So out of 40, maybe nobody has clicked, but suppose if I do this every day and I get like 100 and 150 people at least to land on my page, and I will actually make money by the ads, because I also show ads on my blog. So these are ads showing on my blog, so I also get money from these. And if anybody clicks on the link, then that's more beneficial for me. So that's all I have to show you. This is the future of selling. It is very competitive already in US and many foreign countries. In India, many people are getting to know it. The affiliate marketing, it is something that you do, and it keeps on generating income, just like YouTube. You created a video and it will keep on generating income for you, even if you don't do anything. So I would recommend you to start learning affiliate marketing, because it is the future, and it is good to have a second source of passive income. It is not too much. Even if you get like 2,000 3,000 rupees without doing anything, then I think it is good. So I hope I've been able to help. I'm not very good at this, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.